Hey, good morning, my friends. I'm popping on to you. It's finally Friday. And if you're like me, I'm just physically exhausted for the week. And I am just trying to do some self-care today. We just had the huge storm that was going on here in the region, and stress level was super high, and trying to get kids everywhere with the rain and the tornado warnings and all that craziness. And so I'm looking forward to today and being able to take care of myself and relax and do what needs to be done. But I wanted to pop on today and talk a little bit about two of the other products that are in the winter protection kit that you can get this month. The first product is the Breathe Blend. You get a 15 ml bottle of Breathe. And then the second product I want to talk to you about is the Petal Diffuser, and kind of just go over the benefits of both and how to use it. And then I'm going to tell you how to clean your diffuser and what it looks like when you get it out of the box, all that kind of stuff. So we are very familiar with Breathe. Breathe is our respiratory blend. We use that quite frequently for seasonal allergies, for exercise, to get deeper breaths in there. But it's a blend that includes laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, and ravensara. So we're familiar with ravensara because that's the free product of the month. But we also got we got laurel leaf a couple months ago from a product of the month. And if you remember about laurel leaf is great for concentration and focus. So you can imagine Breathe is also going to help with that because it has that in the blend. So this is really good to be used in the diffuser, specifically to help with clearing the airways so they're nice and open. So when you're sleeping, if you have a tendency to have a lot of drainage going on, maybe that a lot of loud noises that are going on that you're making, this is actually going to help out by putting Breathe in the diffuser. So you can definitely do that. Also on your chest is a really good place, especially as spring comes in and things are blooming. You may want to diffuse that or put it on your chest to just help clear out the lungs a little bit and open up those airways, help with the drainage that is going on. It's really, really great for that. I found Breathe is really wonderful for when I'm exercising. If I can get a deeper breath in and out, oxygen's flowing a lot better. I find that my endurance is increased a little bit, and I'm able to do a little bit more because I can get those breaths in without any issues. So I love the Breathe Blend, all the different products, but this is no surprise that it's in the winter protection kit because we have so many issues with our respiratory system this time of year, no matter if it's the throes of coughing and congestion and mucus and all that kind of yucky stuff, or if we're in an area like I live right now where things are going to start blooming here, and we have allergies and stuff like that going on. It's a great product to support the respiratory system. So highly recommend that. Really grateful that it can be helped to get a good night's sleep and just help with the respiratory system. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about the Petal Diffuser, some of the benefits of the Petal Diffuser. The newest version of the Petal Diffuser, it runs 2 hours, 6 hours, or on a continuous cycle. Or you can choose the last setting, which is a 12-hour intermittent cycle, where it's 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off. So that's the newest one on there. There's an optional light setting, so you can have the light on or you can have it off. So my kids like it because it's like a night light for them in their room, and so they like having the light on. And it does work really well for rooms of 330 square feet. So that's like a perfect size bedroom. It's a great place for the diffuser. And it has 3 pieces in it, so it makes it super easy and user friendly for you to be able to use. So typically this is normally $47 for the kit, for the diffuser. It is a great price point. My kids have knocked this over so many times. It is amazing. It stays together and everything. So I have one of the brand new diffusers here because I have a whole bunch of these, because this is what you earn when you attend 8 of my continuing education classes. You get one of these diffusers. So I have a lot of these handy. So this is a brand new one. And I'm going to just show you what you get in the box and kind of how to set it up. And then I'm going to talk about how you can clean it, because you do want to make sure that you clean your diffuser on a regular basis. When you open up your box, you're going to have the instructions on how to use it. Just it's talks about how to fill it up, all the departments on it, you know, all that good stuff in here. So this is great. I would highly recommend keeping it just so you have it as a reference. So then we get our box out. We're going to take this lid off right here, and it's going to look just like this, really pretty in your box. So we take that out right here. And as we open it up, we're going to find the plug is right in there. Okay. So when they say we've got 3 pieces, we really have 3 pieces. You have your lid, you have the cord, and then you have the bottom of your diffuser. So I'm going to just take this right here out. What you're going to notice right here, this is the ultrasonic thing. This is what causes the mist right here. So you want to make sure that this gets cleaned really well. I like to use a Q-tip about once a month, and I just kind of wipe it in there real nice and easy. You don't want to damage it, so Q-tip is really great. The other thing I want you to pay attention to is the little red dots. So when we fill this up with water, you're going to just use kitchen sink water. You don't need to do distilled water or specialized water. Just normal water is just fine. You're going to fill it up to this red dot right there. So just pay attention to that. When you empty your diffuser, say that you're going to switch it out and put something new in, make sure that you don't pour it towards the button areas because we don't want any water getting into here. So it's really great to be able to pour it in the spout right here and just kind of pour out if you have excess of that as well. It comes with the buttons right here. So if you click on the 2-hour button where it's right here, you click on first, it's going to automatically go to the 2-hour, 4 hours, and then click it 3 times, and you'll get to the 12-hour intermittent. The other button is the light button. So you click on the light, and it turns the light on or off. It makes it super nice. Now, when you're cleaning with this, typically it's great to be wiping it out with a paper towel. When you're switching scents or whatever, I don't know, I just rinse it out with water. That's kind of my easy go. I'm going to just tell you, be honest with you, about once a month, I really try to deep clean this. And all I do is I put just a little bit of white distilled vinegar in this and fill it up with water. And then I could just run it. I run it for a good 10 minutes. And then I kind of just dump the water out. And then I fill it back up to that red dot right here, okay? And I'm gonna put a couple drops, about 5 drops in it of lemon oil. And then I will run it for the rest of the day. And the lemon will work great in cleaning out that vinegar smell that maybe is pretty unpleasant for most people. And so it becomes less and less for you. And then I can use it on a regular basis. I will tell you when I clean it, this top part right here just snaps right out. And you can clean it because sometimes it can get a lot of moisture in there. So this will pop out, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to pop it out just yet because it's a new one. But mine pop out really easily, and then I wipe it and clean it, and then it just pops right back in so that you have that clean and dry as well. So if you haven't had a chance to use the Petal Diffuser, it's a great diffuser in the house. Like I said, it's very kid-friendly. We love it. It's one that we have in our house. I'm grateful that it's part of the winter protection kit because diffusion is one of the best ways that you can do to clean the air, purify the air, and to affect the mood in the body really, really fast. Everybody that's in the room. And again, there's no question why it's in this particular kit. So if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Then the last product that we're going to talk about is the DDR Prime soft gels that are found in this kit. And I will be doing a short video tomorrow about that. But I hope for you see the value of getting this winter protection kit for you and your family, and that you add that to your order so you don't miss out, because it will sell out, especially with all the things in the news that are going on. So take care, my friends. Bye.